Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate a music using AI. This is a free software and you can create unlimited music for using this software. So first of all, using this tool, this is a tool. First of all, we are going to the Google and just type as Hugging Face. This one, Hugging Face. And here you have your first link with huggingface.co and click this one, and this is a dashboard of Hugging Face. So we are going to this tab which is spaces, and they have a lot of different tools for the AI development. You can refer this one also. In this video I'm going to create some music, so I'm selected MIDI music generator. It will take a while because my internet connection is not fast, that's why. Well, this is the dashboard of MIDI music generator. So here you can select the model, which model you want to choose the create music. I'm just put it as a default. So you can select the instruments. I'm just selected as a acoustic grand in here, and a drum kit I'm just select as standard, and I need a 4/4 beat, so I'm not due any BPM, so I just click generate. So you can see it will generate it, and you can see here it will generate it. So creating music with AI. So it's finished generating now. Now it's loading. It will take little time. This depend on your internet speed. So here now it is all done, so I can play the music in here. So and this way you can generate a music, and here this icon you can download this music also, and click this icon and choose the location, which location you want to download your mp3 file, and save this one, and you can here you have a file of. So that's how easily you can generate music with AI, and you can use this music also as a YouTube video and kind of your project and music whatever you are making and so on. Likewise, so subscribe to this channel and like the video. See you guys in the next video.